You wake up, your head hurts, you feel terrible.
You try to explain, but you don't know the words.
Is it the right medicine? Is it dangerous?
Don't guess. Learn to describe your symptoms.
Talk to the doctor. Get the right cure.
Welcome to episode 10, Emergency English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. We are so glad you are here for episode 10.
Michael, today we have a serious topic, getting sick.
Ugh, I hate getting sick. I turn into a big baby.
Really? You, the expert.
Yes. When I have a cold, I think it is the end of the world. I complain all day. What about you?
I am brave with colds, but I am terrified of the doctor, especially needles.
Ugh, needles are scary. But getting sick in a foreign country is even scarier.
It is. You don't know the words, you feel vulnerable.
So today we are building your language first aid kit.
We will learn to describe symptoms, not just pain, but ache, dizzy, and nauseous.
We will go to the pharmacy and learn about prescriptions.
And we will practice asking for help in an emergency.
So drink some water, stay healthy, and let's start. Please like this video for good health and subscribe for safety.
Part 1. Describing symptoms.
So, Anna, imagine you are at the doctor. He asks, "What is the problem?"
I need to say where it hurts. The most common word is ache.
Right, like headache. I get headaches when I work too much.
Me too. Or stomach ache. That happens when I eat bad food.
And backache. That happens because I am getting old.
You are not old, Michael. But ache is a dull pain. What if it is sharp?
Then we say pain. I have a pain in my chest, or I have a pain in my shoulder.
What about if the room is spinning?
That is dizzy. I feel dizzy. Do you get dizzy?
Sometimes if I stand up too fast. What if I want to vomit?
Ugh, that is nauseous. I feel nauseous.
Be careful. Don't say, I am nauseous. That means you make people sick.
Good point. Say, I feel nauseous.
And what if my skin is red and itchy?
That is a rash. I have a rash on my arm.
Okay. Headache, pain, dizzy, nauseous, rash. We are ready. Part 2. At the pharmacy.
Now, let's go to the pharmacy.
Or the chemist. I love pharmacies abroad. They have interesting things.
But we need medicine. There are two types. First, over-the-counter, OTC.
These are medicines you can just take from the shelf, like aspirin.
Or cough syrup. You don't need permission.
But the strong stuff, that is prescription medicine.
Yes, antibiotics are prescription only. You need a note from a doctor.
So if the pharmacist says you need a prescription, you have to go to a clinic.
Exactly. Also, ask about side effects.
Yes. Will this make me sleepy? I once took medicine and fell asleep at dinner.
That is dangerous. Always check the label. Take with food or take on an empty stomach.
Details matter.
Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Let's check our medical kit. Here is our vocabulary deep dive.
First word, symptom.
Definition: a physical feeling that shows you have an illness. Example: fever is a common symptom of the flu.
Next is prescription. Definition: a paper from a doctor that allows you to buy medicine. Example, I lost my prescription.
A scary word, contagious. Definition: an illness that spreads from person to person. Example: don't come near me. I am contagious.
Next is food poisoning. Definition: sickness from eating bad food. Example, I got food poisoning from the seafood.
And finally, ER, emergency room. Definition: the part of the hospital for urgent accidents. Example, he broke his leg and went to the ER.
Now, grammar focus. Have versus have got.
Now for the grammar. How do we say we are sick?
We have two ways, I have and I have got.
I have is standard. I have a cold. She has a fever.
I have got, or I've got, is more informal. I've got a headache.
Are they the same?
Yes, in the present tense. But be careful in the past tense.
In the past, we only use had. I had a cold yesterday.
Never say, I had got a cold. That is wrong.
So, I have a cold now. I had a cold past. Simple.
Part 4. Interactive Roleplay. At the Pharmacy.
Now, let's practice. Imagine you are sick.
I am the pharmacist. You are the customer. First, listen to Michael.
Hi, I'm not feeling well. I have a bad headache.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a headache.
Okay, you can take these painkillers.
Thanks. Now it is your turn. I am the pharmacist. Tell me you have food poisoning. Tell me you feel nauseous. Ready?
Hello, how can I help you? Did you say it? I think I have food poisoning. I feel nauseous.
Let's try one more. Tell me you have a rash and it is itchy. What seems to be the problem?
I have a rash on my arm. It is very itchy.
Good job. Being specific helps you get the right medicine.
Part 5. Emergency numbers.
Before we finish, we must talk about emergencies, real danger.
Yes, if you are hurt, call for help, but the number changes.
In the US, it is 911. In the UK, it is 999. In Europe, it is 112.
Always check the number before you travel. Write it down.
And when you call, say, I have an emergency. Then give your location.
Don't panic. Speak slowly. Help will come.
Mini review and conclusion.
We learned some life-saving English today.
Let's do a mini review. We learned the difference between ache, dull, and pain, sharp.
We learned prescription versus over-the-counter.
We practiced grammar. I've got a fever versus I had a fever.
And we learned to be brave at the doctor.
Now, here is your 15-minute action plan. Go to your medicine cabinet.
Pick up 3 items. Say what they are for in English.
This is for a headache. This is for a cut. Practice the vocabulary.
And before you go, we have a question for you.
Do you have a home remedy for a cold, like tea, soup, or something else? Tell us in the comments. Example, I drink hot lemon water.
We want to know your secrets.
Stay healthy, everyone.
See you in the next episode of the English Global Podcast. Bye!